how to replace the wheel brakes on this 2019 BMW 740i. So I'm gonna show you how to replace it and also how to put the vehicle in service mode if you do not have the scan tool, which in my case I didn't have it. So the way I'm gonna show you is you're gonna have to be careful when doing it. If you're not experienced, leave it to the professionals. If you are, follow my instruction, you can do it. It's that simple, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna power the electric parking brake. What I'm doing here is unplugging the parking brake here, right? And then what we're gonna do is apply power to it. We're gonna use 2 alligator clip, red and black. So what we're gonna do when we power it, if the caliper, if it's pushing the piston out, that's not what we want. We're gonna have to reverse the polarity, and so the motor will go away from the brake pad, and we're gonna push the brake pad with a screwdriver while doing so. All right, and you're gonna need a jump pack also, or a battery, a 12-volt power source. You see the brake pad here, and I'm gonna apply power to it. And lucky for me, I think I got it right the first try, so I didn't have to reverse the polarity. So what I ended up doing while he's doing this, I'm gonna try to compress the caliper, and then we got it right. Good. So now we're gonna remove the brake rotor returning screw. It is a 6mm Allen socket. And now let's remove the caliper bolt here. It is a 13mm. And I'm gonna use a plier to hold the caliper nut on the back so you can remove the bolt. There is a brake wear sensor in the way, so make sure you save it in case you don't have a new one. But I highly suggest you buy a new one, because sometimes when you buy your brake pad and rotors, it doesn't come with it. So just remove it from the old brake pad like I did here, and maybe you're most likely gonna have to buy a new one anyway. So you're gonna remove your old pads, and now we're gonna remove the bolt that secure the caliper bracket. It is a E16 torque socket. We got it out. So we're gonna remove the old hardware, those clip here, and we're gonna inspect our caliper slider pin. Let's tap the rotor so it can get off. There it is. So now we're gonna clean our hub, so when we install our new brake rotor, it has a fresh and flush mounted blading surface. Here's our new rotor, and let's secure in place. 6mm. And let's reinstall our bracket. There it is. Let's install our caliper itself, and we ended up using the old brake wear sensor. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. Now when we put our new when we plug everything in, we go inside the vehicle, you pump your brake pedal a few times and try to actuate the parking brake, and you should hear the parking brake going off and making that noise, so you can stop the vehicle. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.